Jonas! Come on, Jonas! You can be on, but you cannot! Come in, Jonas! I got boot con! You see Jonas? You see Jonas? You don't see a fat man walking in the street running? You don't see them? Okay, good. Stay in school. Yo! Yo, man!
Okay.
What you doing, man?
My dad. I'm not running from the police. I'm running from my dad.
What you mean? This is my yard, man. Don't shoot me in my yard, man. You in my yard.
Shh, he's coming.
Your father is chasing you. That means he loved you, man.
Shh, you don't know him.
That's not true. Alright? You know how much money? My daddy left me. I don't know my daddy, man.
Shh, he's
At least
coming.
your father's chasing
Listen,
you, man.
he's worse
my
than
daddy
that.
left me, man. You know how much money I pay for having my daddy come looking for me, man? Come on, man. This your father?
He's here.
Nice. Hey, we are here. Who's this? It's your daddy, man. Hey, look, man. Solve whatever you got going on with your dad, man. Hey, get off my fence, man. That's my stuff. I need that stuff for work, man.
I told you to shut up.
He's go. Shit. I know he's gonna be do that. He's fat boy, but he can move. Little baby boy used to run around with the pumpers, fat shit all over the place. I don't know. You guys gotta work that out. Well, I got a belt here, but I don't got nobody to beat with it. But you right there, you know, you have a fugitive of the law. I'm not a fugitive. Is he in trouble with the police or something? In the court of law, they can be put you in prison too. So go to beat you. You gonna beat my ass? What you think this is, man? You ain't beat. Oh, man. Yup. In the corner, what you doing? That's it. Don't help the victim. Don't help the boy. You help the boy. You must be poor ass. If the police come and they're gonna be sick, get your feet out of there. Get your feet.
I told you to shut up, man. Look. You get in the bathroom.
Don't move. I'm angry. So angry. I'm so mad. I can't even catch him. What now?